the Oppo Find series has always stood out in the smartphone world for its sleek design, innovative features, and premium user experience. And now, Oppo is preparing to raise the bar once again with the launch of the Oppo Find X9, its highly anticipated flagship for 2025. This device is shaping up to be a perfect combination of elegance and raw power, delivering cutting-edge specifications and futuristic features that make it one of the most exciting smartphones to look out for this year. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Oppo Find X9's full specifications, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and expected price details, giving you a complete picture of what this next-generation flagship is bringing to the table. Now let's talk about performance, which is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This latest flagship processor is built to handle demanding tasks effortlessly, from high-end gaming to AI-driven multitasking. With configurations going up to 24GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, the Find X9 is built for power users who need speed, efficiency, and ample storage space. Gaming on this device will be next level, with Oppo optimizing the thermal management system to keep the phone cool even during extended sessions, ensuring smooth frame rates without overheating. The camera system is another major highlight of the Find X9. Oppo has continued its partnership with Hasselblad, bringing professional-grade imaging to smartphone photography. The setup is expected to include a 50MP Sony LYT900 main sensor with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 6x optical zoom. With Hasselblad tuning, users can expect more natural colors, enhanced night photography, and superior detail in every shot. On the front, the Find X9 will feature a 32MP AI-powered selfie camera, perfect for sharp, well-balanced self-portraits and high-quality video calls. Battery life is another area where Oppo is pushing boundaries. The Find X9 is rumored to pack a 5,500 mAh dual-cell battery that supports 150W SuperVOOC wired fast charging, capable of charging the phone from 0 to 100% in under 15 minutes. For those who prefer wireless charging, Oppo is expected to include 50W wireless charging support, making it just as convenient. With this combination, the Find X9 ensures that power anxiety becomes a thing of the past, keeping you connected and charged throughout the day. In terms of software and extra features, the Find X9 will run on Android 15 with ColorOS 15, bringing new levels of customization, AI features, and improved efficiency. It is also rumored to feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, advanced haptics for gaming, and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for an immersive multimedia experience. As for the expected price, while nothing has been confirmed officially, leaks suggest that the Oppo Find X9 will be priced competitively against rivals like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This means it could launch in the $999 to $1,199 range globally, making it a serious contender in the flagship smartphone market. To wrap it up, the Oppo Find X9 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive smartphones of 2025. With its stunning design, breathtaking display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power, Hasselblad-tuned cameras, and super-fast charging, it checks every box for users who want the ultimate flagship experience. Whether you're a gamer, a mobile photographer, or simply someone who wants a premium everyday device, the Find X9 looks like it won't disappoint. So, what do you think of the Oppo Find X9? Do you believe it has what it takes to outshine the competition? Or will Samsung and Apple continue to dominate the flagship space? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more updates on the latest smartphones, leaks, and reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got plenty of exciting content coming your way.